Are you ready to unlock your full potential and really transform your life? At Action Factory, we believe true transformation, true success starts from within. Our program blends the power of NLP and the expertise of life coaching as one massive, beautiful combination to really bring the best of you to the surface, to transform you firstly. Join our community of trailblazers, of people that are like-minded, that share a passion to transform themselves firstly, and then use the expertise of the skills you learn to become the catalyst for change in others. Are you prepared to invest in yourself? Join a program where you can transform your life and become a life changer for others. It's time to live your dream life, doing what you are passionate about, doing what you know you can do, and earning the rewards for it. It's a beautiful life. Join our community now.